Dear students, today I am going to teach you about Al Baruni. Al Baruni was a very renowned historian and he explained about the political condition of 11th century, social condition, development of science and tech, architecture, sculpture, means each and every features explained by Al-Baruni, and the creation of the Al-Baruni is very important source of history. First of all, today I am going to teach you about Al-Baruni and his own life. I think my words are very much familiar about his uh, birthplace, Khiva or Khwarizm, and he took birth in 973. He came to India along with Mahmud Ghaznavi, and when he came to India, after that, what he had done? First of all, he studied Sanskrit and he started talking to intellectuals of India who are very much expert about Sanskrit. So, first of all, he learned how to understand how many creations are available in India. His book, Kitabul Hind, is a kind of chronological study, and how many books he has written we have no exact information, but by his own creation we can get a very important information that he has created 113 books or creation. 113 means 113. When we will study about Kitabul Hind, we can get information that he was well knowing about Greek intellectual, and how he knew about the Greek intellectual and their creation, because some intellectuals were there, they translated the Greek book in Arabian language, and he studied about those book, means translated book he had studied, and after that he started investigation, means which facts he had got blindly he had not accepted. That's why some historians explain that he had scientific vision, means like modern historian will accept any facts, but after that they will start investigation, and by and after the investigation they can accept the facts. This is a recent trend about uh, selection of facts, and in 11th century Al-Baruni has done this one. It is said that his creation is survey of Indian life, means political life of Indians, social life of Indians, and he also explained that society had been divided, means Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, Sudra, all he has explained nicely. And one more very interesting fact I would like to mention, he wrote that Indian had very scientific approach, temperament, but after quite long period of time, Indian left their ancestors' attitude, means scientific attitude they left. One more important point I would like to mention here, he had written Kitabul Hind, and he oneself mentioned that before writing this book, he studied about Brahmagupt, Balbhadra, and Bara Mihir. I think you know they are intellectuals of Indians, and their creation they have they written their books in Sanskrit language. Just I have taught that Al-Biruni first of all studied Sanskrit, and after that he knew about the Indian Sanskrit books. In his creation, he had mentioned many times about reference of the Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran and Vayu Puran. Some characteristic of Kitabul Hind, again I am going to explain. He explained about Indian tradition, Indian customs, Indian festival and religious rituals also, and very detailed explanation he has given. He also explained about legal system of Indians and how many religious rituals are there. Very detailed he has written. One more interesting facts I would like to mention here. Al-Biruni written about weight and measures, means in 11th century how Indians were measuring and how they were using instrument to measure and weight this one, and how to count the distance. So about all these things very nicely he has written. Means again I am going to explain this one, weight and measures and how to measure distance. All these things given by Al-Biruni very nicely. That's why Kitabul Hind is known as unique works. It was composed by a genius historian, and his vision was very scientific vision. One more fact is there I would like to mention here. He was court poet of, he was a great gem of Muhammad courts, and he was very much respected by Muhammad. Some more facts are there I would like to mention here. He explained about astronomy, mathematics, and he also explained about the development of mathematics and astronomy in Indian continent. 2-3 more facts are there with reference to the Kitabul Hind. Edward Sachau had translated this one in English, means from Arabic to English. Who translated this one? E.C. Sachau or Edward Sachau, and his book name is there, Al-Biruni's India. This Kitabul Hind had been divided in 80 parts, 80, and it is said that the emperor of the Sultan of Ghazni, Mahmud, had told to Al-Biruni to write about India, because India was very prosperous country. I think you know this one. Many foreigners attacked on India, and Mahmud Ghaznavi was one of them. Dear students, one mistake I have done this one. One place I have told that Al-Biruni was a very important gems of Muhammad, not Muhammad, Mahmud Ghaznavi. And today only this much I will explain, and next day I will come with another video. Thank you.